Hello everyone, it's Vance again, and today we're going to be using RDZ to connect to a remote IBM mainframe, and I'm going to show you how to set that connection up, and then we'll tool around in there a little bit. Maybe you'll learn a few tips and tricks. So I've already got Windows 7 up and running in my virtual machine. Bring that up to full screen and launch RDZ here. Okay, you'll notice over here on the right you've got some connection options. You'll want to go to this ZOS, double click it, and your host name, at least the host name we'll be using in class, is 192.86.32.69, and you can give it a name just to distinguish it, and we'll go to next. This is really important right here. You've got your remote daemon port. That needs to be set to 4047. Go to next, and again 4047 on the port. Next, and these two numbers here are fine as the defaults. Click on finish, and there it is. You've got a new Buffalo Thunder connection area here. To connect, you just right click on that, go down to connect, and the first time you'll get a prompt for your username and password. You can save those options, and you're going to see this a couple of times. It's just telling you that there's a certificate out here that it needs to download, and so go ahead and verify all these certificates here by clicking on finish. It should come up 3 times for you, or maybe just 2. So right here, we'll expand the MVS files, and you'll see that it's already built an alias for my datasets based off my username. Now if I want to go see the WTAMU datasets, what I have to do is create a new filter, a new view if you will. So you click on this, right click on this MVS files, go to new filter, and we're going to name this one WTAMU dot asterisk. Go to next, and we'll give it the same name as the filter. Next, and finish. So now we've got a new view here, and this will filter all the data sets in the catalog that start with WTAMU. Right here, you'll notice is the WTAMU.CS3322.custmast data member. If you'll double click on that, it'll actually go to the mainframe, fetch the file, and bring it up here in your editor on your local machine. Now you won't be able to edit this file yourself because well, you don't have permissions to do that. But let's say this is one of your data sets. You would have complete control over opening and editing and saving this data set. So just close that. One other thing I want to show you real quick, and that is if you come back up here to your Buffalo Thunder root connection description here and right click, you can come down here to the host connection emulator. If you click on that, you'll get a green screen, and it's really handy for when you don't, you want to get down and dirty. You've got to come in here and do it in the green screen. So if you didn't see what I did there, there's 2 tabs right here at the bottom of your editor window, host connection and host properties. By default, under host properties, you see you get the same IP address. That's good, but the port is not right. You actually have to connect on port 623. So change that, click on disconnect, and then click on connect. And there you go. You've got your green screen ISPF login screen. If you want to see what it looks like to log in here, I'll go ahead and do that. You'll notice right up here at the top in this tab, it's got an asterisk next to it. That means the settings for this profile has not been saved. So just click on save, and that way it'll remember that port number. Now when you see these 3 asterisks here, what you have to do is just press return, and you'll get them again. Press return, and there you go. We're on the ISPF primary option menu here. I'm going to go ahead and log back out of this. And that's it. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a JCL data member, and we're going to submit that JCL, which is the Job Control Language program. We're going to submit that as a job and view the output of that job, all here in the Rational Developer for System Z.